Welcome back to the Vitamin Doctor. Today, we're uncovering 5 irresistible drinks designed to accelerate your weight loss journey. Let's get started. Number 1. Citrus Zest Metabolism Reviver. Ingredients: 1 cup warm water, 1 tablespoon organic apple cider vinegar, juice of half a lemon, 1 teaspoon raw honey, a dash of cayenne pepper. Method: mix warm water with apple cider vinegar. Add lemon juice, raw honey, and a dash of cayenne pepper. Stir and enjoy before meals for optimal digestion. Number 2. Verdant Vitality Slimming Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 cup spinach leaves, half cucumber, half ripe avocado, half a teaspoon grated ginger. Optional: ice cubes. Method: blend almond milk, spinach, cucumber, avocado, and ginger. Add ice cubes if desired. Enjoy as a nutrient-packed slimming treat. Number 3. Berry Bliss Fat Burning Elixir. Ingredients: 1 green tea bag, 1 cup hot water, half cup assorted berries, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, fresh mint leaves for garnish. Method: steep green tea in hot water. Blend assorted berries. Combine it with the green tea and add chia seeds. Garnish with mint leaves for a fat-burning delight. Number 4. Cinnamon Silk Metabolism Elixir. Ingredients: 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, half a teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 of a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon organic honey or maple syrup. Method: heat almond milk and add cinnamon, turmeric, vanilla, and sweetener. Stir and savor the metabolism-boosting elixir. Number 5. Lemon Mint Infusion Elixir. Ingredients: 1 cup cold water, juice of 1 lemon, fresh mint leaves, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, sliced cucumber and lemon for garnish. Method: mix cold water with lemon juice, mint leaves, and grated ginger. Steep for 30 minutes, then serve over ice. Garnish with cucumber and lemon for a refreshing end. There you have it, 5 tantalizing elixirs to support your weight loss goals. Until next time, I wish you health and happiness. Stay well.